Hello everyone, my name is Chef Young-Sun Lee. This week we're celebrating 2020 Korean Temple Cuisine Week. This time we're gonna try to show you a few dishes, and today I'm gonna show you how to braise shiitake mushroom, pyogo. In Korean we say pyogo, but in English it's most likely shiitake mushroom. This is a fresh shiitake mushroom, not the dry one, so this is fresh one. Shiitake mushroom, and we're gonna braise shiitake mushroom with some soy sauce. This is a traditionally made soy sauce which has no wheat product in it. Okay, this is the rice molasses. Okay, if you don't have a rice molasses, then you could simply sub with honey or even maple syrup. This is a sesame oil. This is my kombu water, kelp water. Let me show you what I did right here. So this is a kelp, dry kelp, and then I boil the water, hot water, and then I just sip the dry kelp in there for about 30 minutes. So it has really nice umami flavor, savory flavor. So we're gonna use that instead of just regular water. But you're perfectly fine just using regular water as well. Clean the mushroom. I clean most of a mushroom, but I just want to show you how to remove the stem. Okay, especially shiitake mushroom, the stem is very tough to eat. So most of the time we take the stem off, because simply by pulling it from all sides, just like that, voila. So here are the shiitake mushrooms. Before we braise them, we need to steam them, okay? This is the little steamer setup that you could do it at home if you don't have a steamer at home. This is called steam tray. It looks like this. It kind of folds and open up. And as you can see, there's a water. Okay, water has been boiled. Okay, so I'm gonna place this. So we're gonna place the mushrooms. Recipe calls it about 10 to 12, so I'm gonna place them about same amount. These are really nice shiitake mushroom. This is a fall, so fall is the season for good mushrooms. Sometimes I tell people that steaming is like Asian style of using oven, okay? Because most of Asian cooking we don't have oven, but we have a steamer, okay? So this is gonna take about 3 minutes. 3 to 5 minutes to be a little bit soft and tender, okay? The pyogo mushroom, the shiitake mushroom, has been steamed. As you can see, they look a little different. They look much moist. And then you can see they're really soft and tender right now. So these are pretty much done for next step. Okay, let me show you the bottom of it. Okay, just gotta steam very lightly. You don't wanna over steam them. And then I'm gonna get them out, place them here. And then we're gonna, in the same pan, we're gonna get the braising liquid going, okay? So on the recipe, it says, so I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1, 2. It calls about 1 cup of water, which is we're gonna use the kombu water. Just like so. 1 tablespoon of perilla seed oil. Those. 2 tablespoons of rice molasses. So here. 2. Okay. And first we're gonna bring this to a boil, and then we're gonna add the mushrooms. The perilla seed oil smells really nice right now. Now just gotta wait until it boils. It's gonna boil in a few seconds actually. Bubbling here and there. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the shiitake mushrooms. The steamed shiitake mushrooms, just put it in. And then now I'm gonna literally boil for about like 5 minutes to medium to lower heat. And then I'm gonna cook it until the liquid reduced to half or more, okay? It's gonna take about good 15 minutes to get braised, okay? Now we're gonna just leave it just like this for about 3 minutes. We're gonna lower the flame and then we're gonna let it braise, okay? You gotta let it simmer, maybe like a hard simmer, okay? Hard simmer is like a little less than boiling, okay? So, because you wanna make sure you reduce the liquid, and then by reducing the liquid, the mushroom is gonna soak up a lot of flavor from the liquid, okay? It's gonna take about 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. So I'll see you in 15 to 20 minutes. My shiitake mushroom has been braising for good, like about 20 minutes, okay? And I had to adjust the heat a little bit up to reduce the liquid really well. So right now, as you can see, there's about, I reduced good like 2/3 of it, okay? A little more than half, okay? So, and I've been basting them time to time, just like so. I'm gonna get the heat up a little bit more so that I could thicken up the liquid a little bit. Okay. It smells really nice in here. The smell of a soy sauce with the pearl oil is really nice with the pungence of a shiitake mushroom. I think this is done. As you can see, the liquid is thickening up a little bit. It's kind of a stick to your spoon a little bit. As you can see. Tastes really good. Oh wow. Just simply plate them in small plate because most of the time this dish serves as a side dish, okay? Hot or cold, okay? So you could definitely have this when it's cold as well, okay? As you can see, it has a really nice shine. Okay. Fanning it out is kind of a traditional Korean way to plate things. Drizzle it on top, just like so. So voila, braised shiitake mushroom. You guys enjoy cooking it and tasting it. Thank you so much.